It's hotter than heck and your AC is not keeping up. I'm going to show you the number one problem. It's the air coils. You see this? Your air coils are completely plugged, and if the air can't get through there efficiently, it cannot cool your house. Air conditioners do not cool your house by pumping tons of cold air inside. Thermodynamics tell us they're actually taking the heat from your house and dumping it, blowing it to the outside, removing the heat and blowing it to the outside. So we have to keep these air coils clean. Okay, this maintenance will supercharge your AC. Find the source of the power next to the unit and remove the electrical disconnect. All AC units are required to have an electrical disconnect. Now, after years and years of pollens, ragweed, just dust and debris getting trapped in those air coils, it's best to remove this cover so we can clean effectively from the inside as well as the foaming agent from the outside. Nut driver, 6-in-1 tool. One of the best tools you'll have in your toolkit. Okay, now with all the screws removed, I want you to safely and carefully remove the cover. Now there's a lot of sharp metal edges here. You might want to wear work gloves. Your top is still going to be attached with wires. If you don't want to take it all the way off, simply prop it. Here I got lucky, I was able to prop it against the house. You may need a dowel or a stick to hold it up. There's no need to completely disconnect the wiring just for this cleaning maintenance step. Okay, and with that, let's see what the inside looks like. Now you can see years of debris build up at the bottom. You can certainly clean that out and spray that off, but I want to really get a cleaner into these coils so they're not plugged anymore. The air can flow freely again and cool us off. Quick tip, when we get to the water soaking stage, you do not want to use high pressure here, or these air coil fins are very thin. They would just bend, and that is bad for you. You want to keep these open. So just light pressure. Okay, on to the product of the day for magic cleaning of these coils, AC Spray Coil Foaming Cleaner. Now I have product links in the video description down below of my favorite ones. As long as it's rated for AC coil use, you are safe. It also says it's non-toxic for the components that it may come in contact with. Okay, of course, follow the label, warnings, and instructions. You can certainly leave your top on and just clean the outside, but I really want to get to the inside. The reason is these pollens and pollutants are being sucked in with the airflow. The grime is mostly going to be on the outside, so if we put the foaming agent on the inside and blast it with water from the inside out, it's going to clean it effectively. This is your thumbnail idea? This is the best you got? Okay, my friends, on the rinse off stage, remember no powerful jets, no pressure washers, don't want damage, just like a gentle shower. That's all you need. Start from the top down so all the debris will be washed from the top down. Okay, now you're ready to safely lower your top with your fan on it. Again, be careful of the sharp edges as you lower it. Now, before you put any screws in place, make sure you have everything overlapping as it should. The top is basically a hood and a shroud and a roof, so it overlaps everything, including the safety grate, so it has to go over that. And then you'll start to line up your screw holes. Okay, here's the close-up of the coils on the first shot of the video. Much different. I don't know if you can see the before and the after. They're all opened up. The air will flow freely now. Okay, now you can locate the power disconnect and turn your power back on. Okay, now with the AC on, moving tons of air through your unit, it should be cooling better than ever. Hey, you did it yourself, and I knew you could.